Luxury travel is on fire right now. People don't just want a holiday anymore, they want rare, exclusive experiences. And what's more exclusive than your own private island? Now, writing a blog on something like this would normally take hours because of searching destinations, writing formatting, adding pictures, making it SEO ready. But with autoblogging.ai, that is done in minutes, and let me show you how. This blog that you're looking at right now was done in under 3 minutes with SEO structured filled with proper headlines, images, infographics, and let me show you how I did this. After you log in, on your left panel there are different modes like quick, wizard, single, bulk generate. I'm going to go with wizard because here it guides me step by step so I don't skip on anything. Article title, I'm going to type here 10 private island escapes worth every penny. This sets the topic straight away. Next, for the language, here Autoblogging supports 30 different languages. So if your readers are in Spanish, French, German or Hindi, you can instantly switch to those. But for this one, I'm going to keep it English. Next, article length, you've got 3 options here. Short works best if you want a quick blog or updates. Medium gives a nice balance of detail and readability, and long goes deeper and works well for SEO heavy blogs. But for this one, I'm going to go with long because a topic like luxury islands needs more detail. Next, the type of article. Now, this decides the overall structure. Informative builds a straight explanation style article. Listicle breaks it into numbered points like top 10 places and organize the content around that. Places organizes content around specific cities or region, and service bar landing pages creates a layout for businesses or promotional content. For this one, I am choosing listicle because we are showing 10 different islands. Next, tone of voice. Now here you set how the article is written. First person makes it sound more personal experience blog. Second person speaks directly to the reader, and third person keeps the blog more neutral and a magazine article. For this one, I'll be going with third person. Next, the writing style. Now this controls the tone, where auto lets AI decide based on the topic. Less AI words keeps the sentences simple and human-like. Premium style 1 is for SEO friendly formatting. Snippet optimizer helps you show up in the Google featured snippet. Conversational is more friendly approach. Witty adds a playful tone in the blog, and professional is more B2B and polished. And for this one, I'm going to go with professional because luxury needs a polished feel. Next, here I'm going to tick on all the 4 boxes. Intense optimized article makes the article structure very search engine friendly, and FAQs will bring in real questions people ask on Google and answer them in the blog. AI images generate pictures that matches the topic and adds them with alt text. An infographic creates a simple visuals and a summary chart to make the blog easier to skim. Next, SERP analysis. Now this is like having Google search done for you. Normally you would check what blogs are ranking, what topics they are covering, and the plan you own. Here, Autoblogging scans those top results, finds what working in structure and keywords, and uses that to build your article. But the content is still original. You just have to enable this, and in the source context box, type in how you want your article to be. You can also select the country where you want to rank on top. Here, I'm going to tick on all the 4 boxes. Outline from competition, which copies the section flow from the top ranking blogs. External link will add references to reliable sources. YouTube video will add a relevant video on your blog to keep the readers engaged. And key takeaways will add a summary box at the end for the quick readers. Next, AI proofreading. Now this is like having an editor built in. It fixes grammars, adjusts readability, and keeps the tone consistent without you having to edit manually. You just have to enable this and quickly leave a note here. Next, internal linking. Now this feature connects your new blog to older blogs already on your website. For example, if you have already written about luxury resorts or travel hacks, Autoblogging will automatically link those posts inside this new article. That way, readers spend more time on your site and Google sees that your content is connected well. So you just have to enable this and paste your domain here. Next, human proofreading. Now, if you want a real human editor to double check everything, just enable this and quickly leave a guideline here for them. For this, you'll require a human proofreading credits, which you can purchase anytime from the dashboard. Now just hit on Generate Article, click on this tab, scroll down, and within minutes you'll get a view-like icon here. Click on that. With few clicks, your blog is going to be ready with headings and images, infographics. But here's a quick tip for the next time. Not on time, just go on quick and single. Just type in your blog title here, and with just fewer clicks you can generate an article. It is just as same as Wizard. And you can also use a bulk generate option where you can upload 10, 50 or even 100 titles at once, and Autoblogging creates them all and even auto post them to WordPress directly. Luxury travel is all about ease and exclusivity, and with autoblogging.ai gives you the same for blogging. You can generate a full SEO ready blogs in under minutes. And if you don't want to do the steps, you can try our done for you blog service where we'll handle the entire blog for you. If this was helpful, hit a like, subscribe and comment which luxury travel trend you want me to cover next.